Great, thanks, Laura. Appreciate the warm welcome. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for spending part of your evening with us tonight. And welcome to the presentation of the 2019 Toyota Avalon. Tonight, we highlight the Avalon story, including how engineering, manufacturing, and electronics work together to make it the most dynamic and most American vehicle ever. Well, Toyota has had our share of challenges recently. For example, the customer's rapidly increasing preference for SUVs and trucks. For a passenger car to be successful, it has to be thoroughly pleasing to its current customers and draw in significant new customers. And I'm sure that all of you have been hearing and experiencing on a daily basis, our competitors are not only the traditional automotive companies, but a new generation of software, electronic, and data-focused entities. But we are fortunate to have great leadership. Toyota President Akio Toyoda's vision is to make bolder, more exciting vehicles that our customers want to drive, and also to transform our company from an automotive company to a mobility company. And the Avalon is the first vehicle developed in the US to meet his vision for Start Your Impossible. Now, TMNA R&D has continued to grow, and today it employs more than 1,600 people here in Michigan and in Arizona and California. With 5 local chief engineers, we have major responsibility for 6 vehicles and minor responsibility for 9 others. We also have full safety, electrical testing, and prototype capabilities. And with greater than 80% domestic content, the Avalon demonstrates our commitment to localized development and manufacturing. Now, during this development, R&D worked extensively with Kelty's design studios in Ann Arbor and California, our engineers at our manufacturing headquarters in Kentucky and Texas, and with hundreds of our supplier partners across North America. And also with Toyota Motor Manufacturing Kentucky, the proud home of the Camry, Avalon, and Lexus ES. Now, we'd like to take a moment and give thanks to our original team that started our technical center's relationship with the Avalon. Thanks to Brian for finding this picture of Mr. Miyoshi and Ed Manti, who led the development of the 2000 Avalon and presented at the SAE dinner at that time. Thanks, Ed. Now, when the first generation Avalon made its debut in 1995, it introduced a whole new class of car for Toyota. It represented another level of quality, comfort, and refinement. Now, we had limited responsibility for Avalon's initial development, but it was an honor to work on a completely new vehicle. As the next generations of Avalon were introduced, TTC increased its involvement and eventually gained full responsibility for vehicle development with the 2005 model. And when we started on the 2019 model, we realized that we were developing the car from the ground up for the first time since 1995. Now, 2005, I was on stage at SAE when we introduced the 3rd generation Avalon. And to give you a reference of what has transformed over those years, let's take a look at 2005 versus today. First, in the world of entertainment. In 2005, a top TV show was The Office, and a hit movie that year was Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. Now today, popular TV shows and movies are about zombies and superheroes. So entertainment has changed quite a bit. Now for autos in 2005, the premium midsize sedan segment, which we're in, clearly favored large interiors and bland styling. In 2 vehicle generations, this segment has transformed and clearly requires distinctive styling, top-level dynamic performance, and technology to match. Now also in these 2 vehicle generations, not everything has become more stylish and more dynamic. Back to 2005, technology brought us this snazzy BlackBerry that was a must-have item. Remember the good old days? Today we have the iPhone X with its Face ID and the latest consumer technology. Speaking of technology, you may have walked past our shiny new cafeteria with all the latest high-tech payment options. I'm still working on getting all of them correct, but please take a look. So let's officially get started on the vehicle development portion of the presentation. I have the distinct honor of introducing Mark, Clinton, and Karen, who will give you the details of the Avalon development. Mark, take it away.